Today is Friday the 13th. Ooh. What is your biggest superstition?
Walking under a ladder.
Walking under a ladder. Action.
I'm not walking under it.
Go ahead.
You go.
No, you go.
All right.
Step, 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 step.
You're loud.
It's my new heels.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow, Sarah.
I wore them
You're-
especially so I can look slutty for you, baby.
Yeah.
But I'm still not walking under the ladder.
Well, if you're not man enough, I'll do it then.
Go ahead. I dare you. I double dog.
Step, step, step.
I'm gonna back up now. What the hell is that?
You're like a tractor back there.
Oh, yeah, sorry about that. Yeah.
Maybe we can climb the ladder and go over so we don't have to go under it.
That's a good idea.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, ready?
Go ahead, you go first.
Okay, here we go.
Hey.
We're at the ceiling. I don't think it's gonna work.
Yeah. You shouldn't have worn a dress.
I hope you're enjoying the view.
I am. I'm gonna make a sound now because I enjoy it so much. Oh. I know we're only 8, Sarah, but will you marry me?
I don't know. You have to ask properly.
Sorry for the delay.
Alright, let's try that again.
Okay,
Ready?
I'm not good at this.
There. Now.
Yeah, okay. Here you go. The skid's falling off.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know if I want to get married now.
I think we really need to get past this ladder thing. Maybe if we go together. Take my hand.
Okay,
Are you ready?
ready.
Okay. Are you ready?
Ready.
Here we go. I'm taking a step now.
You are gonna have to lose weight.
I didn't think the floor was quite so bad.
Yeah.
All right.
Haunted house.
Let's try it again. Ready?
Okay, ready? Stupid mouse.
Yeah, he wasn't long for this world anyway. All right.
Okay, one more.
Squeak.
Oh, another one?
Yeah, really. That's
All right. We're going to the left now, and we're going to go under the ladder.
okay.
Ready? Close your eyes.